Now the therapy for HIV/AIDS so much advanced, but we are not getting what we required. But for this main cause is sexually transmitted infections, one of the causes, reproductive tract infections, and the same other infections. But once you control the sexually transmitted infections and reproductive tract infections, whatever therapy you give for a control of HIV/AIDS, they work effectively. When so many ladies, especially take the ladies, they have leukorrhea, that white discharge, where whenever they get sexual transmitted infections are there, or reproductive tract infections there, even though you give medicine for HIV, it doesn't work properly, not efficiently will work, because those nullify the effect of the and the remains. That's why the government ART centers regularly they do test, because they come for the CD4 count for every 6 months. Whenever they come with CD4 count, they do test for the STA also, sexual transmission. At the same time, they other reproductive infection. And not only this one, in through sexual STI, there will be HPV infection also, human papilloma virus infection. This HPV causes cancer cervix. In our India, more than 1,30,000 ladies are getting infection every year, and dying 76,000 ladies every year due to cancer cervix. When we regularly do test for this cancer test, we do pap smear in early stage, first stage and second stage. We do recognize that you do some surgery or give medicine, they will live lifelong. No problem. Their full life they will be there. That's why when I come to for this, every 6 months they do a VDL test and other reproductive tract infections. Every year pap smear to do it. The deaths of cancer cervix are more than AIDS deaths. Anyhow, they coming for that. They anyhow they do gynec checkup for the STI. At the same time, test for the cancer also. Pap smear test very easy. Nothing, very simple, nothing. Simply we train the health workers, and they have the pathology person there, microscope, is that sufficient. But your government not paying attention. That the identifying the cancer cervix should be given the responsibility to these persons. Not only that one, those are having cancer, AIDS, those are having AIDS, they more prone to get the cancer also. Very more. Therefore, along with the HIV, along with the AIDS, they do test for the human papillomavirus and also cancer cervix. Then our life will be very better. Thank you.